We are pleased to show you the 2019 RAV4. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 2.5-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: body color door handles, Inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, trip computer, tinted glass, low tire pressure warning. The RAV4 is one of the most fuel-efficient SUVs in its class. Versatile and efficient, RAV4 mixes the comfort and drivability of a sedan with the benefits of an SUV. This highly evolved, well-packaged crossover SUV lets you have it all. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.